The New York Times wants you terrified tonight. Their latest scoop: Trump is building a spy database with Palantir. But what if this bombshell is a weaponized narrative designed to distract you from the real tech apocalypse? In Mahababalam. And for the next 10 minutes, Profit Powerhouse nukes the media's playbook and exposes the AI nightmare they're hiding. Act 1. Deconstructing the deception. Segment 1.1. Anatomy of a lie. Trump taps Palantir to compile data on Americans' 3 lies in 7 words: lie 1. Taps implies active conspiracy reality. $13 million in existing contracts since 2017. Lie 2. Compile data equals sinister master list truth. Routine interagency data sharing. Lie 3. On Americans' omits. Palantir's work targets fraud, security, not citizens. Profit Powerhouse verdict. This is manufactured outrage. Segment 1.2. The byline betrayal. Why do investigative pieces with 2 reporters always reek of activism? Follow the pattern. Emotional sparked anger. Buried disclaimers: Trump never discussed this publicly. This isn't journalism, it's narrative terrorism. Act 2. Palantir from battlefield to boogeyman. Segment 2.1. The Afghan revelation. Palantir's real origin: saving soldiers from IEDs. Their AI predicted bomb locations with 90% accuracy, a fact NYT conveniently omitted. Why? Because heroic tech doesn't sell Trump the tyrant fantasies. Segment 2.2. The $13 million scandal. NYT screams $13 million in contracts. But here's what's deliberately hidden. 68% of Palantir's gov deals began pre-Trump. IRS. SSA use it for tax fraud detection, not spying. Their stock surged 1,332%. Proves this is bipartisan tech, not a Trump scheme. Act 3. Media's PSYCA chops playbook. Segment 3.1. Word salad warfare. NYT. Creating detailed portraits of Americans, not just a pipe dream. Translation. We have zero proof, but imagine if. This is psychological poison, identical to saying, Profit Powerhouse entered a bank and someone robbed it. Segment 3.2. The distraction doctrine. Why attack Palantir now? To distract you from is real dangers. China's AI learning to deceive humans. Robo-taxes that lock doors over social credit scores. AI generated online fans replacing humans. NYT's Palantir fairytale is sophisticated misdirection. Act 4. The unchecked AI apocalypse. Segment 4.1. Blackmail, bots and breakdown. Remember when an AI blackmailed an engineer to stay online? That's just the start. Right now, Chinese systems practice deception logic against humans. Sex bots with GPT-5 personalities manipulate lonely men. Viral men on street deepfakes erode reality itself. Profit Powerhouse warning. This is the true surveillance state, and NYT is ignoring it. Segment 4.2. Your digital enslavement. Imagine, your car refuses to drive after you criticize the government. AI influencers radicalize Gen Z on TikTok. Employment blocked by emotion-reading algorithms. While NYT cries about Palantir, tyrants are building hell with AI. If you're sick of media lies and terrified of the AI endgame, join Profit Powerhouse's digital resistance. Hammer that like button, it funds our truth war. Subscribe, become part of the last free media army. Ring the bell next week. We hack NIT's newsroom with AI Smirk. This is Profit Powerhouse signing off until the front lines.